So to continue with our Dreamcatcher crochet top, natapos na natin yung Dreamcatcher na inspired for the top part. And now, I have done this one. Ito yung sa bottom part. So, we're going to attach this one dito. For this demonstration, I just made a chain of 84 as my foundation chain, and then plus 3, so I made a double crochet on the 4th chain from the hook, and then I made 10 rows of double crochet. So ito na yon. So this is my 10 rows, and then we are on our 11th row. So mine, I have 84 double crochets in total. So I have made my first chain 2 as my double crochet, and I will make 37 double crochets for a total of 38 na yon. So I have made my 37 double crochet. So we're going to chain 4. And then we're going to grab this one, and you can just attach to any chain 2 space yung last na yun. Single crochet on that one, and then chain 4 again. Skip 8 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and on the 9th one, make a double crochet. And then double crochet until we reach the end. So we finished the other half. So we're going to make a chain 2 and turn. Ko na to. Then we're going to make a double crochet 2 together on the next chain. And then continue double crochet. So we did our double crochet, and then we're going to leave 4 chains unchained, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we're not going to do double chains on those chains. Instead, we're going to chain 2, and then attach the second one. Make a single crochet, then chain 2, then turn your work, skip 2 double crochet of the previous row, and start doing your double crochet. So now we are on our last 3, 1, 2, and 3. What we need to do is 2 double crochet on this 2 chains, 2 double crochet together, and then double crochet on the last one. then chain 2 and turn, and then double crochet 2 together again on the next chain, and then we'll do again our double crochet. Same thing what we did on our previous row. We're going to leave 4 double crochet of the previous row unchained, chain 2, and then we're going to attach again this one, single crochet, chain 2, then turn our work, skip 2 double crochets of the previous row, and then double crochet on the third one, so the same thing, we're going to make 2 double crochet together, and 1 double crochet on the last chain. Chain 2 and turn, then 2 double crochet together again, and then continue double crochet, skip 4, chain 2, and attach with a single crochet, chain 2, turn your work, skip 2 double crochet, then double crochet on the third one. We are again on our last 3 chains, so 2 double crochet together, and then 1 double crochet on the last chain, then chain 2 again, turn your work, 2 double crochet together in the next chain, and then 2 continue your double crochet and attach, and then turn your work, and then double crochet on the first chain. So we have attached the other part, and now we are going to do the other part. So now we're going to turn again our work, and we're going to chain 4, and then chain 1 on the chain 2 space, chain 4 again, then attach on the next one, then we're going to chain 6, attach on the next one, and then we're going to chain 4 twice, and lastly we're going to make a chain of 6, chain 1, then we can cut our yarn.